Okay, Maria, I'm gonna try to, open up this freaking big jar of pickles that I found at the store. Sorry for the voice, I have a cold. Look at this. Look at these pickles. Oh my god, are you kidding me? So, they're really difficult to open, but, oh my god. So, I'm gonna use different techniques to try and open them. This should be very funny. And the phone is. Okay. What does Pennsylvania want? Hello? Yeah, hold on. Until I'm rudely interrupted by the phone. Tapping it with knife technique didn't work. Now I gotta use butter. Let me melt it first. I wonder where Broom's at. Shut up. Underneath the jar. Grease it up a little bit. This isn't something normally you do every day. If this works, I'm on my feet. Oh, gosh. Mom, I greased it up with butter. It doesn't work. Now I think I screwed it up even more. Call someone to help us open it. I want these. Oh, yeah. Okay. Operation Butter didn't work. Oops. Now we're on to plan C. We are going to try to, no, we're not going to beat it with a broom. I'll show you. You know what? If it won't open, I'm gonna make it open. I don't even know where Broom's at. doesn't work. Plan D.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Patrick did it on SpongeBob. Why can't I? I think I ruined it by putting butter on it. You didn't help. Last time, I'm gonna try this.